Hey friends, if you constantly encounter this CAPTCHA, the reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome, then I'll help you resolve it. So first of all, I'll see what happens when I click on the CAPTCHA. I will select these and then I will click on verify and it will work. But this may not always work. So here's what we can do, and obviously it is a very irritating thing because it keeps occurring again and again. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extension, click on visit Chrome store. Now type the word reCAPTCHA. So you'll find this CAPTCHA solver extension, the free auto by HCAPTCHA. Click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. Okay, it's installing it. Once it installs it, you can click on this one and then click on this one. And now let us see if it helps us. So I just clicked on it once and I'll submit it. Now let me check it once again. I'll go to the captcha demo. I'll click on it once again and I'll submit it. So it's verifying the captcha by itself. Isn't this amazing? If this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching our video and have a nice day.